Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with news on football. In one of Jamaica's greatest sporting achievements, the Reggae Girlz secured a historic second-round spot at the FIFA Women's World Cup after registering a 0-0 draw against Brazil in Melbourne, Australia on Wednesday morning. More in this report.
Says that's it! They have done it! Can you believe this? The biggest night in Jamaican history!
The moment that Jamaica's Reggae Girlz created history by securing a round of 16 spot at the FIFA Women's World Cup in Australia on Wednesday morning. Needing a point against South American powerhouse Brazil to book their spot in the knockout round, the Reggae Girlz held on for a goalless draw at the Melbourne Rectangular Stadium in their final Group F encounter. The Jamaicans finished second on 5 points and kept 3 consecutive clean sheets to be one of 3 teams at the tournament with that record. Jamaica became the first ever Caribbean team to qualify for the knockout round, and head coach Lorne Donaldson was short on words for the achievement.
I tell you what, this is one of the best feelings I've ever had in my life, and just to see these girls and to see a country like Jamaica be able to do this, it's unbelievable to just watch.
Jamaica's Sunshine Girls are into the semi-finals of the Netball World Cup in South Africa after crushing Caribbean neighbours Trinidad and Tobago 89-26 in their penultimate match of the second round group phase of the tournament today to remain unbeaten. The Jamaicans blazed their way to a 20-6 first quarter lead and then stifled the Trinis to only 4 goals while scoring 24 for a commanding 44-10 halftime lead. The Sunshine Girls then racked up 25 goals in the third quarter and then 20 in the fourth and the final stanza to a combined 16 for the Trinis to romp to a massive 6-3 goal margin of victory. Jamaica will take on New Zealand in the final group game to determine the positions of the top 2 seeds. The Silver Ferns, like the Jamaicans, are also unbeaten and are taking on host nation South Africa at sports time, where the Ferns are leading 37-34 at the end of the third quarter. And finally at this time, Kadrian Goldson landed Jamaica's first gold medal at the World University Games in Chengdu, China. He captured the men's 100 meters this morning Jamaica time, clocking 10.04 seconds. He finished ahead of South Africa's Sean Fatuchedzo, who did 10.06 seconds, and China's Guangfeng Chen in 10.17 seconds. Another Jamaican, Michaela Moody, failed to reach the final of the women's equivalent after finishing 4th in her semi-final in 11.57 seconds. Earlier today, Kai Chang won Jamaica's first medal at the Games, taking silver in the men's discus throw with a season's best mark of 61.82 meters on his second attempt. Chang had thrown 61.66 meters on his first attempt and also did 59.94 in round 3 before 3 straight fouls. And that's it for your Midday Sports. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Good afternoon.